everyone, my name is Vihang Dalal and I am going to show the process of artificial volcanic eruption. So, I will begin with my ingredients. This is baking soda, this is Eno, this is vinegar and this is beetroot for coloring. I will also add little bit of food color into the volcano. So let the process begin. First, I will add all the baking soda to the Eno. Now, I will also add some food color into it. Then I will mix this nicely. This is the volcano. Now let's begin with the dry ingredients. I will add all my dry ingredients to the volcano. All my dry ingredients are gone to the volcano. Now I will add the beetroot juice into it. And the volcano erupted. The vinegar was not needed. And now I will also add some vinegar to it. And it again erupted a lot. As you can see. If I add a little bit more. When vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. The result of this initial reaction is two new chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium oxide. This creates bubbles form you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar.